YouTube, what's going on with y'all today, man? Today we'll be taking y'all along with us again. Big Mimi prepared, man. We got a trip coming up, and what's right, we got to do some things to get Mimi right, man. For real, for real. So we're gonna take y'all with me. Okay. This is what we need on here. Plastic dip. We need this right here, man. Good quality plastic dip with the gloss coat. Yeah, this is what we need. We coming to these two, man. Okay. These two coming from AutoZone. In here. Now we can walk around and see what we do. But yeah, though, man, we getting prepared for this NC trip right now. No cap. Man, I'm T. I ain't gonna lie, I'm ready to get on the road. Like, this shit's counting down. We like 14 days away from going OT. I'm just ready to get out there and shit. Coming to y'all from AutoZone, you feel me? Cause we coming from AutoZone in the 5.7 Hemi, you hear me? Y'all see these rims, bro? Look, y'all see them? Today we changing that up, boy. Y'all go tap in with the YouTube and Instagram, man. But today we changing that up. We finna get these rims back looking how they supposed to look. Yeah, good 5.7. But yeah, though, shout out to AutoZone getting me right on these, man. We finna get right. See what this motherfucker shining like. Something about it when you start a motherfucking car, like, that should be lovely, kid. But we're gonna cut y'all back on in a second. We trying to see if this shit gonna work, man. DIY yourself, bro. Don't. I'm doing this shit all by myself. We gonna use another cam. Sit y'all up real quick so y'all can see me. Damn, so we didn't use this already. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But we didn't got the first one, kinda, right? It's a little, it look alright. It's a little decent or whatever. We're gonna let that dry down and come back to that one. Now we're gonna do this one. And this one low-key look a little worse, so we're gonna see how this one come out. And we're gonna let y'all see. Alright, let's see what this one. We're gonna go right here. That don't look too fucked up. It don't look too bad. It do not. We're cooking up on here, man.
Oh, you already sprayed them?
We tried.
You mop first? You clean them? You just spray them?
I just sprayed
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a little vlog cooking up, bro.
Is that gloss plastic dip? This one?
Yes.
Oh.
I think so.
It makes it crack.
Yeah, nah, hell
You
no.
sprayed the tire and everything. Fuck it.
Yeah, because I'm going to replace these ones. I'm replacing these ones. Those ones stand. I did that one, but I forgot I wasn't even recording.
Oh.
But it looked decent from naked. Or would it look shitty?
No, it looked like my shit.
Shit. YouTube, man, we didn't let the first coat dry. We ain't too bad over here. That one cool. That one alright. On this side, we done sprayed it with clear. So this one a little more glossier. That look good though, I ain't gonna lie. From compared to what they look like before, it look decent. Decent. They actually look black now, so it should be alright. We gotta finish clear coat in this other side. We gotta put the clear on this side. See what that's looking like. So I'm gonna sit y'all right here. I'll let y'all see that. Let that dry for a little minute. We gonna come down here and do this one. Give us a bird. What you got still? And yeah, that's that. These don't look too bad, bro. No cap. Not at all. Like, shit. Yeah, this don't look that bad. Look like they freshly painted. No kizzy.